Breaking news coming in at this point in time. We are going to see elections in Haryana, the polling in Haryana very soon. And ahead of that, Congress MP Jay Prakash has kicked a Congress supporter in a public rally on the stage when the supporter was meeting Dipinder Hooda. Just look at these shocking visuals that we have got. The entire episode happened in front of Dipinder Hooda, and this happened during a public rally in Chika. According to the information that we have, an elderly person was kicked by Congress MP Jay Prakash on the stage. Jay Prakash was seen kicking a person and this video has now gone viral. So that's the latest that we are getting at this point in time. Shocking news coming in from Haryana. All of this happened in front of Dipinder Hooda, who we can also see on the stage next to this elderly man getting kicked by this person, by the Congress MP Jay Prakash. This is the news that we are getting for you at this point in time. In fact, Congress MP Jay Prakash kicked a Congress supporter during a public rally, and this incident has been captured on camera, which you can see on your screens right now. Amandeep is joining us live for more on this. Amandeep, what exactly happened, and have we heard anything from Dipinder Hooda yet on this particular incident that we are showing to our viewers?
Well, so far the Congress has not uttered a single word over this incident, but this is quite surprising and shocking incident that was reported from Gula Chika constituency. And in fact, when Dipinder Hooda was standing on a stage, and in fact Jay Prakash, who is a parliamentarian from the Congress party from Haryana itself, and in fact he was addressing the public and introducing Dipinder Hooda to the public for the election campaign, all of a sudden a person, an old-aged person, he came from the backside of Jay Prakash, wanted to meet Dipinder Hooda, and in fact when he was just shaking the hand with Dipinder Hooda, all of a sudden Jay Prakash has kicked him, and even it was not audible that what kind of words he could have used to that person who came from the backside of Jay Prakash, but it was quite visible. Everything has been captured on the camera, and what we are given to understand is that later the public has objected this action of parliamentarian Jay Prakash, and in fact he apologized to the person also, but that was not accepted. This is the information we are getting, but that is quite surprising and shocking, and even the Congress party has not come out with any kind of statement to justify this action of their own parliamentarian during a public address from a rally in Chika. So this is how they are treating, and in fact when from the stage and when they are doing a public address during the rally, and in fact that person who wanted to meet the top leadership of the Congress party in the state of Haryana, and they were being treated in an ill manner, that is very surprising and shocking. Yes.
All right.